video on changing an improper fraction into a mixed number. So here we have the improper fraction 9 over 4. It's improper because we have a numerator of 9 which is bigger than our denominator, and we want to change it into a mixed number. And this is done through long division. So what I'm going to do is, since 9 is being divided by 4, I'm going to use long division and divide 9 by 4. So now we have to see how many times 4 goes into 9. We know 4 goes into 9 at least 2 times. And if you multiply 2 times 4, 2 times 4 is 8. And if we subtract 9 minus 8, we get a remainder of 1. So since 4 goes into 9 2 times, our mixed number is going to have a whole number of 2. And since we have a 1 left over in our remainder, our mixed number is going to have a 1 in the numerator. And our denominator always stays the same. Since we have a 4 denominator in our fraction, we're going to also have a 4 denominator in our mixed number. So 9 over 4 is equal to 2 1/4. And I want to show you an illustration so this makes a little bit more sense. Since we have a whole number of 2, I'm going to draw 2 whole pies. And since we're dealing with fourths and we have a fourth in our denominator, we're going to divide these pies into fourths. And since we also have a fraction of 1/4, I'm going to draw an extra 1/4 piece of the pie. So let's count how many fourths of the pies we have total. We have 1/4, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7, 8, 9. We have 9 fourths of the pie, or 9 over 4. So hopefully you can see that 9 fourths of the pie is exactly equal to 2 whole pies plus 1/4. So hopefully this makes more sense how an improper fraction of 9 over 4 is exactly equal to a mixed number of 2 1/4. So here are some more videos with some more example problems related to the video you just watched. I really hope you're finding my tutorials helpful. So until my next video, I will see you later. So welcome to my video on changing mixed numbers into improper fractions. So here we have a mixed number of 2 3/4. Anytime you mix a whole number with a fraction, it is called a mixed number, and we want to change that into an improper fraction. And the first thing I want to point out is that when you change a mixed number into an improper fraction, the denominator always stays the same. So since we have a denominator of 4 in our mixed number, then we're going to have a denominator of 4 in our improper fraction. And the only thing that we need to do in the numerator is multiply the denominator by the whole number, and then we need to add everything to our numerator. So once again, we need to multiply the denominator of 4 times the whole number of 2, and then we need to add all of that to the numerator of 3. So then in our numerator, we have 4 times 2, which is 8, plus 3. And in our denominator, we still have our 4. And 8 plus 3 is equal to 11 over 4. So now we have an improper fraction because our numerator is greater than our denominator, and our final answer is 11 over 4. So here are some more videos with some more example problems related to the video you just watched. I really hope you're finding my tutorials helpful. So until my next video, I will see you later.